Draw faster. Prevent chatter. Enhance your tube drawing with QASS. During tube drawing, vibrations can occur at high drawing speeds, a phenomenon commonly referred to as chatter. This results in the well-known damage pattern known as chatter marks. To avoid high scrap rates, many manufacturers operate at drawing speeds below full capacity and do not fully utilize the machine's potential. QASS addresses the two issues of chatter marks and inefficient drawing speeds with its structure-borne sound measurement system. Our sensors are mounted on the outside of the drawing die, sending the collected data to our measurement system. They continuously record all relevant forming and friction forces acting between the inner and outer tools and the tube. The QASS measurement system analyzes the data in real time and monitors your production process at all times. QASS applies a fast Fourier transformation to its measurement data in real time. This way, tiny pre-chatter signals can be reliably detected before it leaves chatter marks on the tubes. As shown, our sensitive sensors can detect faint precursor vibrations before any material damage develops. When detecting pre-chatter signals, we preemptively reduce the drawing speed to stabilize the process and avoid material damage. After a temporary slowdown, we restore the material's previously set drawing speed. When the machine draws tubes without chatter, the Optimizer4D looks for ways to safely increase drawing speed. Together with customers, we have achieved average productivity increases of 20% and more while simultaneously improving quality. QASS measurement technology can be integrated into both new and old machines. QASS connects simply to the machine controls. We provide additional hardware for old machines. The sensor installation only takes under 1 hour of downtime. Make the change and optimize your tube drawing process with QASS.